Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable automatic weekly save game in Football Manager Mobile 2024. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how we can create your own tactics from formation, shape, defense, attack, set piece, and also choose your captain, and also how you can manage a club. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm managing Manchester United. This is my third season. So I want to show you how you can enable automatic weekly save. So you can tap the setting buttons and then settings option here. So you can turn this on or you can turn this off. If you turn this on, the game will automatically save in a week. So if you turn this off, you can save manually. So it is very safe if you can turn this on. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.